Okay, welcome to another video. This one is about this little guy here, ScriBOT. Depending on, it really only works as a teacher. You can activate it as a student in a context which I'll talk about later. But really, as a teacher, and you've got ScriBOT turned on, it's an optional add-on. It knows where you're at. So if you're at the top level here, it's going to just give you a generic interface into our LLM. So that's hard to say, isn't it? LLM. So you can really ask it anything you like, and you can talk to it as well. Can I have a recipe for a fish head curry? So you're really not bound at all to asking it anything here. It will deliver whatever you ask. This is great for maybe building exemplars or doing some basic research. Give me 5 points on the major things that JFK achieved in his career. You can really just grab anything you like out of here. It has the copy and paste thing here, so you can copy that straight into a Google Doc, put it on the board, do your lesson, off you go. Nothing stopping you doing any of that. And of course, it gets bigger. So if you want to get a bigger space, you can activate the big small. So that is ScriBOT in the context of just landing in a part of the software where there's nothing particularly going on. You've got a lot of options in front of you. So that's point one. But going into an essay, we start to focus in. So now ScriBOT starts talking to you about the essay. So this will talk about the text. So if you wanted to think of something to say here, like, is this text on topic? And it will talk specifically about the text. So it's great for getting short answers into anything you want to ask it. And of course, you can go across the full text, or you can zone in to a paragraph. And a paragraph, of course, can be any one of the paragraphs in, obviously, the student text. So you could say rewrite paragraph 1. You could say really anything you like. Ask it anything you like. Is Socratic thinking used in this essay? There we go. Socratic thinking is not explicitly used. Anyway, I think you get the idea. You can ask it anything in the context of an essay. So very powerful. And of course, you can add this into student feedback. So if you do find a comment that really, the one you were looking for, you wanted to make, and you want to put it as a general comment into an essay, we're done. Okay, it's now in as a comment for the student, and they'll see that in their commentary down here. Okay, so that's how ScriBOT works across the different levels of Scribo, and it knows where you're at. So when you're in an essay, you're in an essay. When you're out, you're in free range territory here. You can do whatever you like. Now, as you head into Presto, the same thing applies, right? So it knows where you are, and it knows what it should do for you. So if we're in just my activities environment here, it knows that you might want to create something. So it starts giving you lots of options, like create an interactive survey, etc. I won't read them to you. You do have Halo connections in here as well. We do have Halos for To Kill a Mockingbird. So if you want to use that as a reference source to build an instant quiz, this is where it all starts converging very quickly and easily for teachers. If you have your own Halo data source and you want to inquire against it using ScriBOT, we're in the game in Presto. So these wheels really sort of support each other as you move around. These little options here will change as you move through Presto. They're designed to take you to what you can do at every point of the software you're at, with full support from our LLM. So I hope you enjoy using ScriBOT, and I look forward to talking to you again soon. Bye for now.